Social and political commentary from a Christian male perspective.
We all kind of knew this was going to come. We knew this day was coming. We knew it was coming. We knew the day was coming when truly the wheels on the bus of Fonnie's, the wheels on the train of Fonnie Willis's prosecution of Trump were going to really start coming off. I think we're on that day now. I think it's it. Georgia's reimbursement bill would allow Trump to recover costs. Can you imagine how much Trump has paid to defend himself? In brief, the Georgia Senate passed bill allowing Trump and co-defendants to seek legal fee reimbursement if prosecutor is disqualified. So that there's still that big if there, right? Fonnie Willis was disqualified from the election interference case due to her relationship with special prosecutor Nathan Lowdown Dirty Dog Wayne. Republicans also pushed to investigate Stacey Abrams over alleged campaign coordination and unverified funding claims. Georgia Senate unanimously passed a bill Thursday that would allow President Trump and 18 co-defendants to seek compensation for legal fees in cases where a prosecutor is disqualified, according to the Associated Press. This measure comes after Fulton County District Attorney Fonnie Willis was removed from the prosecuting Trump's election interference case. So that's in appeals. So that case is still in appeals. However, if it does end up being staying in place and she is disqualified, they're going to have to start writing checks. What we know, the Senate Bill 244 enables counties to reimburse attorney fees and other legal costs in criminal cases affected by a prosecutor's disqualification. Okay, so not just because you lost the case, but because the prosecutor was disqualified for some various sundry reason. It makes perfect sense. Let's continue. Georgia Senate Minority Leader Harold Jones. They always got, where do they keep finding Harold Jones? Why does he keep showing up? Augusta, you got to do better. Harold Jones II, a Democrat from Augusta, argues that the bill could have broader implications beyond Trump's case. If you have that young person, possession of marijuana, whatever it may be, and the prosecutor has done something wrong in the case, is dismissed because the prosecutor did something wrong, they're entitled to have their attorney's fees back, Jones said. That's actually something that we probably would have pushed many years ago. I don't understand. This is actually a good thing. But let's continue. Another bill passed Thursday grants subpoena power to Georgia Senate, or rather Georgia State, and House committees, adding to the legislature oversight authority. The backstory: Trump and his co-defendants were indicted in Fulton County on August 2023 for attempting to overturn the Georgia 2020 election results. Charges included pressuring Georgia's Republican Secretary of State to find enough votes to flip the state, harassing election worker, persuading state lawmakers to appoint an alternative slate of electors. The case took a turn when Willis was disqualified after state appeal court ruled her romantic relationship with special prosecutor Nathan Wade created a conflict of interest. What's next? Georgia Senate investigation into Willis conducted remains unresolved. A special committee was created last year to examine allegations of misconduct, including her hiring of Wade. The committee attempted to subpoena Willis, but she did not appear. A judge later ruled they had the authority to compel her testimony. I think we read that about a week and a half ago. Now, Lieutenant Governor Burt Jones and other Republicans are shifting their focus to investigate Stacey Abrams. They are looking into recent ethics findings that her voter participation group, New Georgia Project, inappropriately coordinated with her 2018 gubernatorial campaign. They plan to probe unsubstantiated claims of the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency Administrator Lee Zeldin that Abrams benefited from $2 billion allocated by the Biden administration to climate-focused organizations. Abrams denies receiving any of these funds. The big picture: the legal battle surrounding Trump's election case has now led to broader legislative efforts impacting not only the state's judicial system, but also fueling new political investigations. While the compensation bill could assist defendants in cases beyond Trump's, its passage reflects the continued partisan divide over the fallout of Georgia's 2020 election. All right. So let me know what you think about it. Did you see this coming? Did you see this coming? Did you have this on your bingo board? Let me know down below. And if you made it all the way to the end, you are my favorite. So please put your favorite emoji in the chat. And also, thank you so much for helping us hit our goal of 50,000 subscribers by the end of April. I appreciate y'all so much. Until next time, everybody, grace and peace.